Welcome back to our channel. Here's LCSIGN. What's up, homie? I'm Tony. Today I'll give you a more detailed understanding of our company, LCSIGN, from various angles. LCSIGN is a professional advertising sign manufacturing company founded by Mr. Feng and Mrs. Liu with nearly 14 years experiences, located in Baiyun District, Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province, China. The full name is LCSIGN, which represents as hope and prospects. The founder uses it as the brand name to convey the vision of hope that light will illuminate your life and prosper your career. We attach great importance to team building and currently have more than 300 employees and are still expanding rapidly. We have independent factory equipment. The factory covers an area of 12,000 square meters. The main products include illuminated signs, non-illuminated signs, light boxes, neon signs, and other signage products. Besides, we continue to develop more creative and new products. Our products are made of selected high-quality materials to make them more sturdy and durable, which makes them more competitive than most similar products on the market. Moreover, our products have also obtained internationally certified UL and C certifications. We also provide customization and related warranty services. For example, luminous letter sign have a 3 to 5 years warranty, and LED modules, not light strips, have a 5 years warranty. Some signage products such as non-illuminated sign even provide lifetime warranty so that customers can buy and use them with peace of mind. Fast production and delivery cycle. The production cycle of small order is generally 4 to 7 working days, and the large order is generally 7 to 10 working days. Signage can be shipped to customers in most countries and regions within 7 to 10 days after production. And our main consumer market are North America, Europe, Oceania, and other countries and regions. We adhere to the principle of customer first. Quickly respond to customer needs. We'll respond to quotes within 4 hours and handle installation related inquiry within 24 hours. Striving to solve customers' problems most efficiently with a favorable rate of 4.95%. Therefore, it has also received positive feedback and recognition from many customers. LCSIGN has participated in many international exhibitions. Besides, we have in-depth cooperation with many international brands. And these cases have expanded our brand awareness and influence. We also welcome friends to visit and communicate with our company and factory. Are you still looking for a suitable signage supplier for your business? LCSIGN will be your best choice. Remember to follow and subscribe to our channel for more.